Hello everybody, I hope everybody is doing fine in this calamity that we have come across. So anyway, let's begin with the video, and today I wanted to tell you guys about a new device by this company called Bosch, called Vivaltech, and this device is already in the market now. This is released just to combat the corona. It also detects 44 other kinds of viruses. What does it do? How does it work? I know you guys are wondering, and here's a video to show you. No further peripherals are required, such as laptop, keyboard, barcode scanner, or something. And it also integrates into any other kind of software or devices that are already used in the hospital. So this makes it really easy for the doctors to actually integrate it, because it's just a tiny device, and it also makes the test results instantly available. This analyzer device can be networked with and combined with several other devices so that it allows the analysis of bacteria, viruses, and fungi from a single sample. And the test results are summarized very clearly. And guess the best part, can detect if you have corona in 2.5 hours, whereas the current methods are taking 2 days. So hope you liked it, guys. That's it for this video. Subscribe for more.